my lovely viewers, assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine today. Today I am going to show latest collection, latest earring design, elegant earring design, latest collection. So let's go. First thing is very attractive, only 3 ana, and this price only 22,000 plus 22 carat. This design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute. This design only 2 ana, and this price is only 15,000 plus. Next design is more beautiful, only 1 ana 1 roti, and this price is 8,000 plus, only just for your kids. If you want, you give purpose any person, gift purpose any baby, new baby earring. Next design is more beautiful. If you want, you gift for your mother. Wow, so cute. This design only 4 and this price is 30,000 plus. Very attractive this design, very adorable this design, very stylish earring design for every occasion. Wow, so cute this design. Next design is stylish earring design for every occasion. Wow, only 4 and this price 30,000 plus. Very attractive, very gorgeous, very elegant this design. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Wow, next design is more beautiful, and just look this collection. Wow, only 7 and this is collection is very elegant, very attractive this design. Next design is more beautiful, only 4 ana. Wow, so cute this design, and this price is only 30,000 plus. Vintage earring collection, timeless, elegant this earring. Street design is very global design. Wow, so cute this design. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Wow, so cute, new collection, adorable collection. This design is very viral design, 21 carat hallmark earring, only 4 ana. Wow, so cute this design. If you want, you screenshot this design. This design is just for your child, only snake earring, only very money earring design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Very attractive this design. This design is more beautiful, only 4 ana.